Istanbul city where East meets West, a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and delectable cuisine. It's no wonder you're interested in exploring this fascinating metropolis. Istanbul boasts a rich and complex history, having served as the capital of the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. This legacy is evident in its stunning architectural marvels, from the majestic Hagia Sophia and the awe-inspiring Blue Mosque to the opulent Topkapi Palace and the sprawling Grand Bazaar. Beyond its historical treasures, Istanbul buzzes with modern energy. Wander through the bustling Istiklal Avenue, lined with shops, cafes, and street performers. Immerse yourself in the vibrant nightlife of Taksim Square, or explore the trendy art galleries and cafes of Galata. Foodies will be in paradise in Istanbul. Savor succulent kebabs, melt-in-your-mouth baklava, and aromatic Turkish coffee. Indulge in a traditional meze spread, or explore the diverse offerings of the countless street food vendors. But Istanbul is more than just its sights and sounds. It's the warmth of its people, the aroma of spices wafting from the markets, the call to prayer echoing through the city. It's a place where you can easily get lost in the labyrinthine streets, discovering hidden gems and charming local shops. The best place to stay in Istanbul depends on your individual preferences and priorities. Here's a breakdown of the top neighborhoods to consider, each with its own unique charm and offerings. Home to iconic landmarks like the Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, and Topkapi Palace, charming old town atmosphere, easy access to public transportation. Bustling pedestrian streets, Istiklal Avenue with its shops and restaurants, vibrant nightlife scene, close to Taksim Square and Gezi Park. Galata Tower, trendy shops and art galleries, Karaköy's cool cafes and bars, stunning views from various spots. Dolmabahce Palace, Ortaköy Mosque, vibrant local markets, lively atmosphere, beautiful views of the Bosphorus. Maiden's Tower, historical mosques and churches, traditional Turkish restaurants, calmer atmosphere compared to the European side. Istanbul's city center is a captivating microcosm of the entire city, where bustling avenues, historical landmarks, and vibrant culture converge. Hagia Sophia, this architectural marvel, once a church, mosque, and now a museum, stuns with its towering dome and intricate mosaics. Blue Mosque, renowned for its 6 minarets and dazzling blue tiles, this iconic mosque offers a serene atmosphere and architectural splendor. Topkapi Palace. Immerse yourself in Ottoman grandeur at this opulent palace, once the home of sultans and housing royal treasures. Grand Bazaar. Lose yourself in a labyrinth of over 4,000 shops selling spices, carpets, jewelry, and more in this centuries-old covered market. Sultanahmet Square. This historic square serves as the heart of the old city, surrounded by iconic landmarks like the Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque. Istiklal Avenue. This pedestrian-only street pulsates with energy, lined with shops, cafes, restaurants, and street performers. Taksim Square. A vibrant hub of nightlife, Taksim Square offers a glimpse into Istanbul's modern side, with bars, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Galata Tower. Climb to the top of this medieval tower for breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Golden Horn. Süleymaniye Mosque. Admire the architectural prowess and grandeur of this 16th century Ottoman masterpiece. Istanbul boasts a comprehensive public transportation network, making it easy to navigate the sprawling metropolis without breaking the bank. Here's a breakdown of the different options available. Metro. The modern and efficient metro system covers a significant portion of the city, with 9 lines operating on both the European and Asian sides. Stations are clean, well-lit, and equipped with maps and signage in English. Tram. Trams offer a scenic and convenient way to travel, particularly in the historic Sultanahmet and Beyoğlu districts. These charming red carriages wind through narrow streets, providing a glimpse into local life. Bus. The extensive bus network reaches even the remotest corners of Istanbul, making it an affordable option for longer journeys. However, navigating the complex routes and dealing with traffic congestion can be challenging. Funicular. Take a funicular ride up the steep hills of Karaköy and Beyoğlu for stunning panoramic views of the city and the Golden Horn. There are 2 funicular lines in Istanbul, offering a unique and enjoyable travel experience. Ferry. Ferries are a scenic and efficient way to cross the Bosphorus Strait, separating the European and Asian sides of the city. Public ferries offer affordable fares and stunning views of the iconic landmarks along the coastline. Taxis. Taxis are readily available throughout the city, but metered fares can be expensive compared to other options. Ensure the meter is running before your journey and agree on a fixed price for long distances. Top up your card at kiosks near stations or convenience stores and enjoy cashless travel with discounted fares. I can provide you with general information about museum prices in Istanbul for 2024 and resources to find the specific costs you're looking for. Most popular museums in Istanbul typically range from 50 teraliters to 350 teraliters for single adult tickets in 2024. Here are some popular museums and their approximate 2024 ticket prices. Note these are estimates and could change. Hagia Sophia, €25, foreign visitors, 60 teraliters, Turkish citizens. Topkapi Palace, 200 teraliters, foreign visitors, 80 teraliters, Turkish citizens. Archaeological museums, 100 teraliters, foreign visitors, 40 teraliters, Turkish citizens. Istanbul Modern, 350 teraliters, all visitors. Dolmabahce Palace, 120 teraliters, foreign visitors, 60 teraliters, Turkish citizens. Istanbul Food. Prepare to embark on a culinary adventure that tantalizes your taste buds and leaves you wanting more. From savory street eats to decadent desserts, Istanbul's diverse cuisine reflects its rich history and cultural influences. Here's a glimpse into the delicious world of Istanbul food. Doner kebab. The undisputed king of Turkish street food, this flavorful lamb or chicken is slowly roasted on a vertical spit and shaved onto warm pita bread. Kokoreç. For the adventurous eaters, kokoreç is grilled intestines wrapped in pita bread and seasoned with spices. It's a unique and delicious experience, but not for the faint of heart. Balık ekmek. Indulge in a simple yet satisfying fisherman's sandwich grilled mackerel served on fresh bread with onions and salad. Midye dolma. Tiny mussels stuffed with fragrant rice, spices, and herbs, perfect for a quick and tasty bite. Vendors usually grill or steam them, and you can enjoy them with a squeeze of lemon. Lahmacun. Think of it as Turkish pizza, a thin, crispy dough topped with minced meat, vegetables, and spices. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine, Istanbul is a city that will leave you enchanted. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and prepare to create unforgettable memories in 2024.